Hey guys! Oh, lighting check. I know you guys have been awaiting what I'm gonna cook. You've been on the edge of your seats. Let me give you a hint. I'm cooking watermelon sushi. Woo! I know what you're thinking.
Those two things don't go together.
Think again. We're gonna take this watermelon. Ooh, it's dirty. Ooh, it smells like dirt. Who would have guessed? And we're gonna soak it in sushi. Oh my god. I can't think. My first step is gonna be to let this soak, I guess, and rinse our rice. Do you want to step in?
So?
We're cooking duck tonight. Yay!
We're cooking some duck in the oven.
It's really soft today. Okay, bye. I'm gonna rinse the sushi rice. This is the only, we have a sifter that we use to rinse our rice. Not what we're supposed to use, but it works, it does the trick. Sorry guys, I've had a lot of coffee today, and I feel a little hyper. Hyper. Sorry. Let's cut this part out. Oh my god, I spilled a lot of the rice. I'm gonna rinse it until the water runs clear. Okay, now that the rice is rinsed, we are gonna let it soak in cold water for like a little bit. It says an hour, but I'm not gonna work on that timetable. Mmm, delish.
Oh, add the next ingredient.
Now, for the main event. We're gonna chop into this melon. Make squares like about 1 to 2 inches. Oh my god. It rolls around. All right, my chop shop skills are coming into play now. Oh god, this knife is not sharp enough. Rose, this knife isn't sharp enough. You're the worst sous chef. You're not. Mmm, look at that color. Yummy. Does that look like tuna or what? You're not even looking at it. This is really fucking hard. God. Can you help me film? Why? So how we're approaching this is we're cutting out the top and bottom, and then we're gonna go in. This is not how she did it. I'm not how she did it. And just kind of shave in a circle. However, if you do have a sharp knife, it would help. I didn't get it though. Who's that?
No one.
It's like not a bad melon. Ayo. Right?
Melons? Hey, nice melons. It looks like a weird, like, it looks like a giant ruby.
My stone! The watermelon is all cut. We're gonna use 5 sheets of seaweed, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. I hope I have enough for this and the sushi. And then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then we're gonna mix it in and let it marinate. Should I just tear it?
What did she say to do? Oh.
I feel like it has the same effect. I'm gonna cut it a little smaller because I kind of want it to spread throughout.
I think it's fun to cut seaweed though. Okay.
So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I might add a little extra because I like soy sauce. Mmm. Just let it overflow. Ooh, that was a lot. And I'm just kind of gonna get in there and like mix it. And then what we're gonna do is put a little saran wrap on it, let it marinate for like an hour. And while that is marinating, I'm gonna cook the rice. I finished the rice. It looks pretty good. Oh shit, it looks pretty good. Nice and fluffy, kind of. Well, that didn't look fluffy. I made a little mix to make like sushi rice. It's rice vinegar, salt, and sugar. And so you just like sprinkle it on top, which I thought I was nervous because I didn't have enough rice wine vinegar, but you just sprinkle it, so it should be fine. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of this on there. Sorry, my workspace is a little messy. All right. It definitely smells like seaweed. You can smell it. Well, you guys can't smell it, but I can smell it. Okay, I added this soy sauce sesame mixture and it smells really good. So I'm kind of excited about that. All right, 20 minutes in the oven and we are gonna be ready to go. Okay guys, big reveal.
Oh. Okay.
I don't want to hear your
No, I'm just the noise.
Oh,
I thought that was char, not seaweed.
oh no. Oh my god, did you call me baby? Maybe. I'm not okay. That didn't turn out too bad. These are gonna be really big. Toady, get away from me.
He wants some.
No, it looks like a little man, look. Toady, get away.
This is my test impression.
I'm kind of curious.
I'm afraid, personally, but that's just me.
You fear.
I fear this deeply. Oh, I just got full body chills thinking about it. I'm sorry.
Okay, guys. I'm kind of nervous. I'm taking my first bite. It tastes kind of bland almost. I'm gonna add some spice. Not that much.
Is there any sweetness to it?
There's no sweetness, it's just like the texture's a little similar,
Okay.
which isn't awful. Let's see if it's better with yak. Honestly, it's not bad.
Does it taste like fish at all?
It tastes like seaweed,
Okay.
which I don't hate.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not mad at this. Would I do it again? No.
Are you gonna eat a lot of it?
I might have another one.
Would you have more than 2?
Not right now. I don't think it's bad. It's just like, I don't know. I wouldn't do it again. I'm glad I tried it because I was curious. But honestly, I like plain rice with soy sauce better. All in all, I wouldn't recommend watermelon sushi, shockingly. I think anything else would be better. I think that's it.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making ramen, not from scratch. I have this fun ramen pack that I got from Whole Foods the other day. Let's do a little ingredient haul. So I'm also going to be adding bok choy, corn, green onions, and tofu. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I've never done this before. I'm not really going off of anything. I guess we'll see how it tastes. I'm gonna start by slicing my tofu into long cubes. And then these, I usually just do with scissors. It's a lot easier. But for now, I will just slice them. Ah! Ah! Oh no. Everything has been prepped. Okay, I lied. Turns out I do have a few instructions. What's in the inside? It's how long to boil the noodles, and then the ratio for water and soup concentrate. So now that my water is boiling, I'm going to add my noodles. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes and 30 seconds, starting now.
Alexa, turn my balls on.
One presses a safety pin and then the switch.
Oh, just give me a second. Alexa, turn my balls on.
Turning balls on.
Okay.
Have you guys seen that one?
Sorry, I didn't find a device named my balls.
I didn't actually think she'd hear that. I'm gonna add some avocado oil. Ugh. It's his birthday tomorrow. Just kidding. I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Is this soy sauce? Yeah. Okay, these seem cooked. Okay, while the tofu cooks, I'm gonna prep the soup part. 1 pack of this, whatever it is, and then approximately 1 1/4 cup of hot water. So we're gonna use,
Oh, okay.
one cup, and then 1/4. I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, it's not bad. Oh, it's actually pretty good. Yay. So the presentation part, really important to me. Our noodles got a little bit sticky. Okay, noodles are in. Bok choy. Okay, I have 3 there. Then I'll add some of my frozen corn. And then I'll add the toast. Yum. And then I guess I'll just sprinkle it with mayonnaise. Yeah. Oh, I'm also gonna add sesame seeds. Guys, look at that. Okay, now I have to see if it tastes good. Whoa. Okay, not bad. A tad bit salty? I'm not sure. I gotta keep eating it. No, it's good. I'm gonna try the bok choy now. Also good. Nice and crunchy. Now the tofu. With the noodle, I guess. This is really good. I'm gonna give this a 9.5. That's my official rating. It's really, really good. But I don't want to give it a 10 because it's like not mind-blowing. I don't know why I use that word. I think maybe if it tasted this good and it was from scratch, like I made the noodles and soup base, then I would have given it a 10, but I kind of cheated, so yeah, 9.5, my official rating. Okay, thanks, bye.